In this session, I'm going to walk you through a real demo prediction. You can see this Polymarket inside Gate Exchange. I'm going to go for soccer event prediction. I will tap soccer. This is World Cup event. If you scroll down, this is PSG Arsenal event. This is UEFA League winner. Let me choose this event. If I want to go for this event, I'm predicting that PSG will win Champions League. I will tap PSG. You can see UEFA Champions League winner. Will PSG win Champions League? If I say yes, I will stake $5 for saying yes. I will get $8.47 if I'm right. Look at it. Payout if right. For me to commit it, I will preview first. This is the amount I'm spending. You can see order confirmation. I'm predicting PSG will win the Champions League. This is the amount I will get. This is the amount I'm staking. This is the difference. That is the amount I will gain. Don't forget, if my prediction is wrong, I will lose all my $5. If I'm okay with the order confirmation, I will tap confirm. You can see I've confirmed. Look at it, order confirmed. I've confirmed that. Look at it, place order success.